Oh, we're getting ready to go golfing.
Oh yeah, this is a lot of fun.
We got 2 golf bags in the 911.
Yeah.
The 997.
Two golf bags crushing me in my seat.
Is that pretty comfortable?
Oh, it's just wonderful. Let's drive to Indy.
All right.
Okay. I'd like to go like that.
It looks nice.
I love this.
All right, yeah.
This would be great.
We'll see if there's a better way.
Oh.
All right, enough joking around. I'll show you how to actually get two sets of golf clubs into the back of a 997 Cabriolet. All right, first, of course, you drop the rear seats. No problem here. And then I have a neoprene seat cover that I throw on because I don't want it to get damaged, but you can kind of see what's going on. We're going to be laying them across, but of course, problem is that drivers are wider than the car seat, so it won't fit. So we will take your woods and hybrids out of your bag, like so. So we got clubs minus the woods and hybrids. They sit down perfectly in there. And we do the same with the next bag. It goes on top. Then you grab the rest of your clubs and then you shove them. Maybe not all of them at the same time. You grab a few. You go down here. Add a diagonal. Like so. And then if you're not driving anywhere too fast, you can leave the top down and it should stay fairly stable. But if you're driving anywhere on the highway, I recommend putting the top up just in case. Mission accomplished. You got the 2 golf bags in a tiny car. The only issue is getting them out. You also need the top down. So make sure you're playing where it's not raining, or you might get the interior a little wet. So either this or 2 cars, or taking a less fun to drive car with you. Yep, thanks for watching.